Choosing the right mulch can be one of the simplest and most effective DIY pest control moves you make around your foundation. When selecting non-organic options like gravel or rubber mulch for pest prevention, focus on material, depth, and installation technique to break habitat and transit routes for insects and rodents. Use angular crushed rock or 3/4 inch to 1 inch crushed stone because it compacts less and drains faster than pea gravel, reducing moist refuges for pests. Keep mulch depth shallow, no more than 2 inches, so you do not create insulating layers that hide pests or trap moisture against foundations. Install a woven weed fabric under the rock to stop soil contact while allowing water to pass through and reduce burrowing. Lap the fabric up the foundation a few inches and secure it with landscape staples. Where rubber mulch is used, choose products with solid backing or place a thin stone layer under the rubber to prevent soil contact and discourage burrowing insects and small mammals. Always slope the finished grade away from the house at 1/4 inch per foot for proper runoff and clean out organic debris regularly to prevent a new pest food and shelter source. Common mistakes include piling deep wood or organic mulch against siding, which creates direct shelter and nesting spots for ants and termites, so pull mulch back at least 6 inches and replace with a rock band. Another frequent issue is using fine screened soil or sand under gravel, which can compact and retain moisture, so instead use coarse crushed stone and a proper woven fabric to maintain drainage and limit burrowing. People also forget to maintain a clear zone and let vegetation touch the house, which creates a bridge for pests. So trim plants, so leaves do not contact siding, and keep a mulch-free band adjacent to the foundation for easy inspection. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to find practical project ideas that include pest-reducing landscape choices, and our discussion community lets people share experiences with different mulches and products. We also help contractors showcase their work and answer homeowner questions so both sides learn what actually performs well in the field.